Hello, friends. Today I'm back with one more story that is, Who is the Real Mother? This happened somewhere in India long, long ago. There was a young mother who is carrying her baby and moving to a distant place. This mother is very strong and she carried her baby and made him laugh with all the surrounding nature and everything. The baby used to laugh continuously. So the lady has to cross a beautiful forest. This small baby is enjoying the nature and also the fragrance of the flower which the mother gave him. So it was the end, and she reached near a lake. Then the mother stopped and kept the baby aside, and she thought to go and dip in the water for some time and swim there. So I'll keep my baby here, and she went into the water. So after dipping for two times, she is able to hear something. Then she came up and saw one more lady who is playing with her child. Then she is very happy, and the other lady said, "Okay, you continue on your swimming. I will take care of your baby and I will play with him here." So, after some time and after a few moments later, she is not able to hear any sound. Then the woman came up and she saw that the lady is taking the chair. When the real mother came up from the water and stood near the lake, and she ran near her and caught her. "You give me my baby. He is my baby." Then the other lady said, "That is a wig lady." Wig lady said, "Who are you to question? He is my baby." Then she said, why are you doing like this and all? So the other wig lady said, "You're all the thieves in the forest." Then three tribes which are from the forest heard this and came near the two ladies. Then the wig lady said, "She is saying that this boy is her baby, but this boy is my baby." Then the tribalman said, "Your problem must be settled, so you must come near our chief." Then the wig lady said, "Why? He is my baby. What is the use of coming there?" So the tribal people did not leave and took them in near the chief. Then they moved into a dark cave. Afterwards, a beautiful light, they have seen a beautiful light. So then the tribalman said to the chief, then chief said, "This will happen. Now we will play one game. Who will win in that game? There are going to be the winners and they can take the baby." He gave them one he said him one game, that is, one lady must pull the head, other lady must pull the legs. So as soon as the real mother catched the baby's finger, the baby started laughing, but the other lady pulled his legs and he started crying. So the baby started crying. Then the wig lady said, "Yes, I won the game and he is my baby." Then the chief said, "Who are you to ask this? This baby is hers." Because mother's love is unconditional and she sacrificed her baby so that he will not be hurt. He will not get hurt. Then the wigged lady gave the baby to the real mother and she was declared as a real mother. The chief said, "You are a thief in the forest. Now I'm going to curse you." And she was changed into another person. And never, even though she did not do the mistake and she is not seen in the forest many years, even though if she tries to steal anything else, but mother's love is unconditional love.